There is very good saying, if you do not let your past go, your future will not be brighter. Rahman Rahim, commence with the beautiful title name of Almighty Allah, who is most merciful, kind, Rahman and Rahim. Today I want to talk about how to come out from your past. This is one of the most important topics that every individual need to know about it, because there are a lot of phases came in our life, but still we are stuck in them. Still we are not moving on. Still our life has problems because of our past experiences. There is very good saying, if you do not let your past go, your future will not be brighter. So today I'm talking about letting go your past is a sign for betterment of your future. Every one of us has been faced many problems, has been faced many challenges in their lives, in their past experiences. But the one who let go the past, the one who move up, the one who step up for the future will be fine and happy life. The one who is still in the past, the one who is still in the worries of the past, that will have very big problems in the life. Have you ever seen many people? They think they are very much, they are in the present, but they're very much intention about their past. Why this happened to me? Why it was me? It was because of me. They blame themselves and they shame themselves. This is the reason they are being stopped living their lives. They don't know the beauty of the present. So today I'm going to tell you how to stop worrying, how to finish the worries of your past, how to let go your past. But remember one thing, I'm not telling you to forget your past. I'm telling you, forgive your past. So here are some steps, here are some ways I'll help you. If you think, if in your past there were problems, I'm going to help you how to come out from that. You know, past is a one chapter, that's not complete book. Stop reading that chapter, go for the next, a beautiful chapter. Come in the present, come and be ready for the future. So the steps are, accept that thing what you cannot change. This is one of the great things. We cannot change our past. How much but we cannot change. But we can do one thing, we can learn from that. We can do one thing, we can accept that. We can say that problems came, they were our past. So if we keep working for the future, if we live in the present moment, we may come, there are chances you may come out your past. Otherwise, being in your past, it is much problematic for you. You are still facing problems because of that, and you will face much problems because of that. There are a lot of people, their relations are being destroyed, their families are not happy because in them there are some people, they take all bad words, they take all bad activities happened, all those incidents happened in the past. They always in a gathering, a dinner, lunch, they come to say some words about them. So this their words, these their emotions is still destroying all beauties of that family. If you are one of them, if you think there is someone who is living in the past, so for that you can tell, you cannot control your past, you cannot change your past, but you can control in your present. You have very good chances for your future. Learn from them, accept them, and close your eyes. Not forget them, but freeing yourself from the past. There is very good saying, that is, you cannot move forward until the problems and the things of your yesterday pulling you. So if we go for it, if we live in the past, our yesterday will not let you for tomorrow. It means that our tomorrow will be as facing problematics. So you need to know, you have to stop the past, how it was, learn from that. It was a chapter, it is not complete a book. If I say you how to come out from the past, there is one very good step. The second step, that is forgive yourself and others. Forgive yourself means a bad thing happened because of you. Someone did bad with you. Not forget them. Forgive them. Because forgiving yourself, forgiving the world around you, it is not about them. It's about your peace. It gives you pleasure. If I keep bad words, bad emotions in me, they are destroying me. They are killing my inner peace. So that is why forgive yourself. Forgive others who did wrong. Let it go. If I keep those words with me, I cannot do anything. Only I can destroy my peace. Only I can destroy myself. I cannot do anything. Better thing is that forgive everyone. And being forgiving yourself is a very good chance you can forgive the world. Because of us, there are a lot of things happens. Many people they are in their past because they did something bad. They think still it was because of me this happened. If you are one of them, from now, give yourself a challenge. I am going to forgive myself only for sake of my peace, only for sake of my beauty. You will see how your life will become much amazing and beautiful. If you go for the third step, that is focus on what you can do today. What you did, that is past. Now focus on what I can do. If a relation is not with me now, very close friend of mine left me, that was past. But what I can today, I have to work on me. I have to bring such a kind of habits in me. My present friends, my present members, my present colleagues would not leave. This is in our hand. We can go for it. A beauty of life is focusing on what you can. A bad thing happened because of me. An accident had been done because of me. So it was not in my control. But it is in my control. I can change my today. I can focus on, I can work on what I can do in a better way. That I did. It was not better way. So now I will not do anything that will destroy someone. I will not do anything that will destroy me. This will let you to come out your past. The one who lives in the past, they do not have present and they do not have future. If you are living, think about the present moment. Think about your future. Past gone. Do not destroy your present and future. If you go for the fourth step, that is turn your pain into a power. A very beautiful saying. Something had been done because of me, pain me. It gives me pain. But I'm going to make it my power. I'm learning from that. That mistake happened because of me. This mistake will be my identity. This mistake will be my power. Or like for example, being a writer, I wrote article that made lot of people's unhappy. But that's my mistake. I will work on that. I improve myself. I will write article that will make the world beauty. That will add value everyone's life. This that my past still giving me pain. But today's my action. Today's my thoughts are giving pleasure to the world. This is the mean. Change your pain into pleasure, into powers. If you go for the last way, last step, that is surround yourself with positivity. Sit with them who talks positive. Sit with them who do not indicate your past. Sit with them who help. Sit with them who are the reason of your courage. Sit with them who are helping you or motivating you. They'll tell you, yes, we are human. We can do bad. There are a lot of things come bad, happen bad from us, not to remain in the past. Live in the moment. And there is a very good saying. Present moment is where your power lies, not in your past. Live in the moment. Know your power. Thank you.